Hi, ladies and gentlemen. As you heard today, this year you are going to have vocabulary slides that you will need to fill out with each story that we do. On the slide, you'll have to know the definition, find a picture if you can, write a sentence using the word, and find a synonym and an antonym for the word. You're going to do your best each week to fill all those categories in. Before you complete your slides, you are going to need to watch the rest of this video so you have all of the definitions for each of our vocabulary words. You're going to want to put these in your red notebook under the Unit 1, Week 1 page that we started. You can go on to a new page if you need to, but keep it together so you can find them later. I'm doing it in a video so that you can rewatch it as many times as you need to and make sure that you get the words correct. Our first word is opportunities. Opportunities are chances to do things you want or need to do. An example would be Albert had many opportunities to do his homework, but he did not do it. That is not a good idea in 4th grade. When do you find opportunities to do what you like to do? The next word is border. A border shows where two pieces of land or an area is separated. The border between Canada and the United States is very long. What borders have you crossed? Next word is unions. Labor unions are groups of workers who unite to improve job conditions. Unions often help workers get better health care or pay. So a union is when a group of people get together to try to make their job conditions better or get higher pay, and they work together to accomplish that goal. The next word is strikes. Strikes are times when workers refuse to work until owners improve job conditions. So if something is not working and it gets very bad, workers might come together and go on strike. Strikes sometimes help to solve problems about unfair work conditions. Think about if you've ever seen somebody on strike, maybe on the sidewalk driving by or on the news. Sometimes they have stories about strikes. Next word is boycotts. Boycotts are when people do not buy things from businesses who do not treat their workers well. So if a business is doing something people don't agree with, they might not shop there or buy their products. Cesar Chavez started the boycotts. He asked people not to buy grapes. We'll talk more about him this week and why he didn't want people to buy grapes. Our last word this week is citizen. A citizen pledges to be loyal to a country and has rights from that country. Voting is a right of any citizen in a democratic country. It's a right of citizens in the United States. What are some responsibilities that U.S. citizens have? Think about that. Take a minute to make sure you got all of the words and the definitions, and you have all the information that you need to complete your slides. And have fun.